you do that? Well, there are many, many ways. For one, you can put in some of your own personal money. Next, you have an option to do a bank loan. Sometimes the bank loans, and this was a thing I didn't understand when I first started, sometimes the bank loans don't require as much as you might think they do upfront to be able to secure a loan. I used to think that you had to have all of your engineering plans done and all of your architectural plans done before you can apply for the bank loan, but that is just not the case. You still need to have some site feasibility work done and some basic engineering and some basic architectural, but you do not have to have all of your plans fully done before you start your loan application process for the bank. Now, if you're doing this for yourself or for a client, make sure before you apply for a bank loan that you have all of your paperwork intact, all of your taxes, W-2s, especially if you're applying for a loan over $1 million. Make sure you have your assets in place and you can show that you have some capital in reserve. You have money in the bank. If you do not have money in the bank, then you need to be creative on how you can get money in the bank, either by working with others, getting a professional to help you with securing some investors, or figuring out a way to pool your money with others. There are all kinds of ways to make that equity appear in your bank account legally. So make sure you are working with people who can help you. So bank loans. Bank loans can be anywhere from private banks to, or they're all private, but any kind of bank, institution, or credit union that will allow you to use some of their funds to be able to continue developing and do your acquisition and development. So you can do an A&D loan, or you can do a construction loan, and take care of the entire project. Either way, a bank is a great partner to have when you're on the development journey, because not only can they be a great resource for continuous funding, but they can also be a great backer for you when you're trying to leverage funds from one place to another or with another institution, such as a private equity fund. Another place is a private equity fund.